In Coors CK001M, you'll find the Tescan 2800, which offers ultra-high-resolution imaging with a Schottky field emission scanning electron microscope that is paired with a gallium-focused ion beam. This cutting-edge instrument supports imaging, sample milling, and deposition of tungsten, platinum, and cobalt, making it an essential tool for advanced research. The SEM includes an Everhart-Thornley detector, retractable backscatter detectors, and an in-beam multi-detector for precise high-resolution imaging. It also features low-vacuum imaging capabilities for non-conductive samples. For nanoscale compositional analysis, it features an EDAX Octane Elect Plus EDS system, powered by Apex software for accurate material characterization. The EDAX Velocity Pro EBSD camera delivers high-speed mapping at up to 2,500 points per second using a CMOS sensor. Paired with the EDS detector, it enables simultaneous compositional and crystallographic analysis. The instrument integrates WITec in situ confocal Raman imaging with 532 and 785 nanometer excitation wavelengths and 100 times objective, providing detailed chemical bond analysis. For in situ TEM foil extractions, the SmartAct nanomanipulator offers 1 nanometer positioning resolution and is coupled with an electron flood gun for charge neutralization, ensuring precise milling of non-conductive samples. The Gatan-Marano heating stage enables advanced in situ analysis, supporting experiments across a wide temperature range from room temperature up to 950 degrees Celsius, providing insights into material behavior under thermal stress. The integrated tensile and compression testing module allows mechanical testing with loads up to 10 kilonewtons and displacement speeds from 0.1 to 20 micrometers per second with full EBSD compatibility. From high-resolution imaging to advanced mechanical testing, the Tescan 2800G is a powerful tool for pushing the boundaries of material science and nanotechnology research.